Welcome to my class, and in this we are continuing on with correlation techniques. For correlation, we talked about scatter diagram, we talked about the Carl Pearson's coefficient of correlation, and we are doing rank correlation, that is Spearman's. And in this we talk about three things. One is when the ranks are given, when the ranks are not given. We finished with when the ranks are given, and now we are going to do when the ranks are not given. So when, for example, in this numerical we are going to talk about the percentage marks, where we'll convert them into rank. We'll put them as the highest one getting the first rank, etc. And we'll do it for the other subject too. And then of course it's the same formula which we did in the when we are talking about with ranks. And of course there's another one which is when the ranks are repeated, the same marks. So let's just talk about this. So again, it is I've taken this from the NCERT Statistics for Economics. So here it is Spearman's rank correlation. We are talking about Spearman's rank correlation, and in this we are talking about when ranks are not given. So these are the marks. So calculate rank correlation from the given data on percentage of marks secured by 5 students in economics and statistics. Alright. So let's just take this. Students are given as, I have written stats, you write stats also, and stats. Okay, now let's just take, these are the students A, B, C, D and E. These are the marks, so there are 5 students. And these are the marks in statistics. 85, B gets 60, C gets 55, D gets 65 and E gets 75. And so now let's just mark it. Let's just rank it and put it as R1. So what is the first rank is to the highest percentage. So A gets highest percentage in statistics. So we put him as rank 1. In statistics, B gets, the second is E gets the second rank, 75 marks. So we put it as 75. Now the third rank goes to 65. So the next highest is 65. The next highest is 60 and then 55. So this is how we have ranked them according to, on the basis of their marks that they've got. So highest marks gets 1 and less than that 2, less than that 3, etc. So when you do this, you get these ranking. So then even in economics, let's just take A gets 60 in economics, so we put it as 1. And E gets 55 in economics, so that is 2. So the next highest is 35. Third is D gets 50, so that becomes third rank. Then you have 49 C gets, so that is the fourth in economics, and 48, the least, is the fifth rank. We put it down as that. And then you have to just remember to follow this formula, 1 minus 6 into sigma d squared divided by n cube minus n. Now we're going to find out the difference between R1, this is R1, and R2. So just take it the way it is. And another thing, that if we have marked the ranks from the highest to the lowest, make sure that you do the same in the next set of variables. It should not be that you've done highest marks to the lowest in one, and from in the next you do it from the lowest to the highest. Whatever you're following, however you want to rank it. So here then what we have to do is, we got to now get D. R1 minus R2. 1 minus 1, 0. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now we've got to square them up. Okay, the differences we're going to square, d square. So 0 zeros are 0, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, 0, 0. So, and another important thing is you've got to find out what is summation of d square. So we get 0 plus 1 plus 1, whatever, it's 2. And this is a formula we apply. And in the formula, let's just put the values. 1 minus 6 into 2 divided by 5. N is 5. So 5 into 5 into 5, n cube minus 5. So 125 minus 5 will be 1, the whole 1 minus 12 upon 120. What you get is 0.1. So 1 minus 0.1 is 0.9. So rank correlation, Spearman's, you get this. So this is how you work out. It seems to be a very simple numerical, but whatever the numerical, you have to work it out the way it is given. Alright, so let me just see if you've got it clear. Yeah. So once again, as we see this, make sure that you, in your notebook, you do this particular numerical, and then make sure what you do is open your book and find one out and do the illustration from there. See that whatever ranks are not given, that and then do one exercise. And in the next one, see, so here again, let me just once again repeat myself that here actual values are given. So first we have to convert them into ranks, or rather we assign ranks to all of them, and then we calculate the rank correlation with the same formula. Is that clear? So with that, we will do the next class, and the next class when ranks are repeated or equal ranks.